हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू द सेशन। आई होप आप सभी अच्छे हैं। इन टुडेज सेशन वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट कैरोलिन एज, wherein we will be talking about Charles the First, his reign, background, characteristics, and a lot more things. So when we look at Caroline age, we see the rule of Charles the First, and the timeline is from 1625 to 1649. Yes, wherein we see he ruled England, Scotland, Ireland. Okay, so he was ruling as the absolute monarchy. Okay, and we see that he believed in the divine rights of the kings. Okay, that king's son is going to become the king. Okay, it is the God's choice, divine rule, इसीलिए इनको बोला जाता है he believed in the divine rights of the king, ruler. Okay, जिसको हम मोनार्की भी कहते हैं, that God has chosen him as the king of the England. Also we see that basically he was a tyrant in the sense that he did not let the parliaments meet for 11 years, जिसको हम 11 years of tyranny भी बोलते हैं. Okay, here we see 11 years of tyranny. Here we see that he did not let the parliament meet for 11 long years, which led to civil war. Okay, we see that civil war happened between 1642 to 1649. Okay, and we see that in 1649 Charles the First, okay, was executed. What was the exact date he was executed? It is 30th. We see it is 30th January 1649, wherein we see that Charles the First was executed by Oliver Cromwell, who bought the Republican government in England. Okay, civil interregnum का पीरियड आया था इनके बाद. तो यहाँ पर हम देखते हैं स्टूडेंट्स that basically we see that Oliver Cromwell executed him, and which led to the end of the civil war. Okay, initially in 1642 हम देखते हैं that it basically started, and in 1642 ban in theaters happened. In 1643 licensing act came, right? So here we see the rule of basically Charles the First. Also we see that there were a group of writers who were in support of Charles the First. Okay, so two literary movements we see in this particular age is, one is Cavalier poet. Okay, we see Cavalier poets. Okay, then we see metaphysical poets. These were the two important literary movement, और यहाँ से जो है एग्जाम में मल्टीपल टाइम्स जो है हमें क्वेश्चंस देखने को मिले हैं. बेसिकली कैवलियर्स दे वर रॉयलिस्ट्स. ओके, दे सपोर्टेड किंग चार्ल्स द फर्स्ट. Why did they support Charles the First? Because they believed in the divine rights of kings, and they were writing poetries in a simple language, glorifying Charles the First in their works. So we see that they believed that poetry should be written in simple language. Okay, we see they were writing in simple language. If we learn them by a mnemonic, okay, we are going to understand this further, wherein we see Johnny, क्योंकि इनके मेंबर से काफी बार क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. जॉनी, देन हियर वी सी loves, then here we see her, and then here we see car. Yes, here we see Johnny loves her car. Okay, wherein we are going to see John suckling. Okay, Richard Lovelace, yes. Then here we see Robert Herrick, and Thomas Carrion. Yes, these were the members of the Cavalier poets. Yes, these are the members here we see. नेक्स्ट हम यहां पर देखते हैं मेटाफिजिकल पोएट्स. यस, व्हाट डू वी सी इन मेटाफिजिकल पोएट्स? वी सी दैट दे वर यूजिंग पैराडॉक्स, conceits. Okay, they were using difficult language wherein they were associating dissimilar things together to make something new, to form something new, right? So here we see that they were using paradox, conceits in their poetry. Okay, we see John Donne's valediction, forbidden warning, wherein he is using the image of compass to denote the physical distance between the lovers. कि जितना फॉर्म हमारा सेंटर होगा उतना ही जो बेटर है वो सर्कल बनेगा, जैसे कंपस में बनता है, कंपस से बनता है. और उसी तरीके से जो है मेरी लवर जितनी फर्म रहेगी अपने बिलीफ में, अपने फेथ में, उतना ही ब्यूटीफुल हमारा रिलेशनशिप होगा डिस्पाइट द ज्योग्राफिकल डिस्टेंस बिटवीन अस. तो यहाँ हम देखते हैं, हियर वी सी द मेंबर्स जिनसे सबसे ज्यादा क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. ठीक है, दिस इज ऑल्सो वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फ्रॉम द एनटीए पर्सपेक्टिव. काफी ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट सेक्शन हमारा है. और अगर हम यहाँ पर देखें मेटाफिजिकल पोएट्स के मेंबर्स को अगर हम देखें तो इसको हमने याद किया था दैट जॉन वन, ओके, वन VAN लिखेंगे हम, वन हर एब्सोल्यूट मार्वेलस, ओके, एब्सोल्यूट मार्वेलस कार. Yes, here we see John Donne, Henry Van Gogh, okay, Henry Vaughan, sorry, just make this correction. Okay, then here we see George Herbert, जिनको रिलीजियस पोएट भी बोला जाता है. इन्होंने द टेम्पल वर्क लिखा था. ओके, जॉन डन ने लिखा है कैननाइजेशन, द सन राइजिंग. ओके, देन हियर वी सी अब्राहम काउले, ओके, देन हियर वी सी एंड्रयू मार्विन. ओके, एंड हियर वी हैव Richard Crashaw. Okay, this is the list of the members of metaphysical poets. Metaphysical poets के बारे में एक दो चीजें मैं आपको बताऊं कि metaphysical poets कॉइन किया था हमारे सैमुअल जॉनसन ने, और डन अफेक्ट्स, ओके, मेटाफिजिक्स बोला था ड्राइडन ने. दोनों ने ही डेरोगेटरी टर्म दिए थे. फाइनली हम देखते हैं मॉडर्न एज में टी.एस. एलियट ने जो है इनको इनकी ड्यू रिकॉग्निशन दी. सो दीज आर द टू लिस्ट ऑफ वी वुड से movements, very important from the perspective of Caroline age, very important from the perspective of UGC NET examination. Okay, I hope that this video was helpful. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much everyone. Stay tuned for more information. Thank you.